I see the sisters are not going to like this, but we have to say it. Nail polish. And the argument was, this is permeable, it's not permeable, water goes through, it doesn't go through. And I said, subhanallah, with no persecution whatsoever, you are still fighting about an inch of paint on your nail. Throw it out. Whether it is permeable or not, do you love Allah and His Rasul enough to realize that people gave their lives for this message of Allah to get to you? They died, they were murdered, they were persecuted. They took it for the message to get to you. And you, without persecution, you want to fight over an inch of paint. Throw it out of the window. Allahu Akbar. Let the water get onto your entire nail. Not just a small part of it claiming to be permeable or not. You don't need it.